Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful wall hanging for the upcoming festive season, and this is made out of paper quilling strips, and here I have used the color combination of pink, blue, purple and little bit of white, and also I have decorated with some mirrors, some tussle hangings, and this is super duper easy to create. This is looking absolutely amazing, and you can make in different color combinations after learning the procedure. So without any further delay, let's start with the tutorial. So here I'm starting with making the leaf shape. For this I'm taking 1/4 strip of blue color in 3 mm. For my today's project I am using only 3 mm strips, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the leaf is ready. Now I'm joining total 6 petals together to create the flower shape. And the flower is ready, allow it to dry. Now around this flower I am going to wrap one pink color strip. Like this. Similarly, we need total 4 these type of pieces. Now I am joining all these 4 pieces together. Like this. Then adding glue in 4 corners and connecting small blue color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip. Now I am taking here 2 white color strips and wrapping it around the design. Like this. After that I am taking 3 dark blue color strips and wrapping it around this square pattern. So this is completely done. I have just added glue on the strip to make it stiff and hard. Now here I am taking 1 strip of purple color and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared 4 more tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips. Now taking back my pattern, and in the center I am adding 1 strip tight coil, and in 4 center corners I am adding 1/4 strip tight coils. So this is completely ready. Then here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color, half strip of purple color and half strip of pink color and making one tight coil. Like this. Similarly, we need total 5 tight coils and I am joining these 5 tight coils together to create the chain. Just straighten it up using ruler, and with the same method we need total 4 these type of chains, and also we need 4 more tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip of white, half strip of purple and 1 strip of pink color. Now taking back my previous pattern, and in 4 sides I am adding these tight coil chains. And then in 4 corners I am adding big size tight coils. So this is done. Then between these small gaps, for the inner row I am adding blue color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip. And for the outer row I am adding blue color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips. Similarly I am going to complete on remaining side. So this is completely done. Now on back side I am adding glue and spreading it nicely all over the pattern to make it waterproof and stiff. After doing this process, the design will stay together and it will not come out or fall out. Allow it to dry completely for a few hours. So it's completely dried and it's nice and thick and sturdy. So I'm going to use the matte side for my decoration part. Now keeping it aside, and it's time to create the smaller square. For this I have already prepared this flower circle just like we did before. Now in 4 corners I am adding 4 small tight coils of blue color which are made using 1/8 strip. And then wrapping 1 white color strip and 2 dark blue color strips around this to complete the square shape. Like this. So I have added glue to make it stiff. After that, here I am taking 1/8 strip of white color, 1/4 strip of purple color and 1/4 strip of pink color and making one tight coil. Now I am joining total 4 tight coils together to create the chain. on one side I am adding these blue color tight coils which I am using 1/8 strips. Similarly, we need total 4 these type of shapes. Then taking back my pattern, and on 4 sides I am adding these 4 chains. And on the corner of each design I am adding big tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip of white, half strip of purple and half strip of pink color, like this. Now here also I have added glue on one side and allowed it to dry completely. So this is done. Now I am showing you how to make the hanging. So here I am taking eye pin in golden color, passing one pink color bead, one blue color bead, one pearl, again blue bead and then pink bead. Cutting the excess wire, twist the wire using plier to create the loop, and the hanging is ready. Here I am showing you how you can join the pieces together and also connect the tussle. So here I have already this dark blue color silk thread tussle. Now I am taking golden jumpring, passing through the tussle and also passing the hanging bead. Secure the jumpring using plier. And this is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So I have already connected one of the hanging in one side of the pattern. Now I am connecting on another side. So just taking one jumpring, adding through this tight coil, connect your hanging, secure the jumpring using plier, and this is attached. So easy. Now here I have created the center bead hanging which is made using blue bead, pearl bead and blue bead. Now taking one more golden jumpring, passing this blue pearl hanging through this, and then connecting the smaller pattern using one more golden jumpring. So this is attached. Similarly, I am going to attach one more hanging at the bottom which is made using same bead colors and pink color tussle. Now in the top I am passing one more golden jumpring and the keychain holder so that we can hang it. And if you want, you can convert this into fridge magnet as well. And the beautiful hanging is ready. Now it's time to decorate this with some mirrors. So here I am using square mirrors and circular mirrors to decorate my project. Similarly, going to decorate the bottom part, and after decorating this with mirrors, this is looking more festive and more vibrant. So you can change the colors as per your choice, just like you can take orange, yellow, red combination or green, pink and yellow combination. That also looks nice. So it's all up to you, and you can decorate your walls. You can create two similar kind of patterns to hang on both sides of the doors. So there are multiple usages or multiple techniques to decorate your home. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.